Howdy fellas, the Kibler Tennessee or Southern Mountain Rifle kit did not come with a toe plate on it, and that's a very weak spot back there because the wood comes to a very good point. So I decided I'd add a toe plate for it, so I ordered one. It had a finial on the end of it that I didn't really care for, so I hacksawed that off, and I filed just a little bit of a bevel on the end of that toe plate, and I laid it up there and drew a line right here and took a sharp chisel and drew me a stop line, or not drew me a stop line, but chiseled a stop mark in that, and then started inletting like this just a little bit, and then I measured the toe plate at 56 thousandths of an inch. So I made somewhat of a line right there, and then I took a coarse file. It's actually a metal file, but it's worked real good for taking the wood off that, and just started filing until I got it down to where I wanted it, and cleaned up my line right here, and drilled my holes. And I'll have to admit the screw holes are not 100% perfect, but they're going to work. They'll be fine. So that's just something, if you do one of these kits and you want a little bit stronger protection right there in that corner, it's something you can do. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.